就是这玩意儿，然后它。
Hello, dear friends. Please check the wires connection. The first one, we need to connect terminal inside the control box. The first one, A and main, this line. This line means main power supply. It connects wires to the power supply here. So this is the input power supply. And second line is here. This is main motor line. It contact with main motor here. This line. The third one, this line connect with pump motor here. And here are through groups of line connect with the side drive motor. So you can check here. Three lines connect with size change motor here. Number 3. Number 1 and number 2. And let's go on to the right. On this spot, there are groups of terminals. You can see K1, K2, K3. All these terminals connect with hydraulic valves. You can see we marked the connect number to the terminal. So you can just do it based on the mark. And